Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we diving deep into a staple that's probably sitting in your kitchen pantry right now, olive oil. But this isn't just any cooking oil. We're talking about a golden elixir that's been cherished for thousands of years, not just for its amazing flavor, but for its incredible health benefits. Forget what you think you know, because we're about to uncover 10 mind-blowing benefits of olive oil that will make you see it in a whole new light. Ready to transform your health from the inside out? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about your heart. Heart disease is a huge concern worldwide. But what if I told you that a simple drizzle of olive oil could make a massive difference? Extra virgin olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and may have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. More importantly, it helps lower bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol. Studies have shown that people who consume olive oil regularly have a significantly lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. It's like a daily tune-up for your cardiovascular system. Benefit number 2 is a big one. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many serious diseases, from arthritis to type 2 diabetes. Olive oil contains a potent antioxidant called Oleocanthal. This compound works similarly to ibuprofen, a well-known anti-inflammatory drug. Imagine getting that gentle, natural anti-inflammatory effect every single day with your meals. It's not a quick fix, but over time, consistently including olive oil in your diet can help calm your body's inflammatory response and protect you from a host of chronic conditions. Now for number 3, olive oil is a brain booster. Your brain is made up of about 60% fat, so it needs healthy fats to function correctly. The healthy monounsaturated fats in olive oil are essential for maintaining brain cell health and communication. But there's more. Remember that antioxidant Oleocanthal? Research suggests it might help clear the beta-amyloid plaques in the brain, which are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. While more research is needed, adding olive oil to your diet is a delicious and simple way to support long-term brain health and keep your mind sharp as you age. Let's move on to benefit number 4. It might help protect against certain types of cancer. While no single food is a magic bullet, the evidence for olive oil is compelling. The high concentration of antioxidants in olive oil helps protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which is a major contributor to cancer development. Some studies suggest that the compounds in olive oil, like oleic acid and oleocanthal, can disrupt the life cycle of cancer cells, particularly in breast and digestive tract cancers. It is a powerful reminder that what we eat plays a crucial role in our body's defense system. Benefit number 5 will make your gut happy. Olive oil can improve your digestive health. It acts as a gentle lubricant for the digestive tract, helping to promote regularity and prevent constipation. But it goes deeper than that. Olive oil has been found to have antibacterial properties, and is particularly effective against a nasty bacterium called Helicobacter pylori, which can live in your stomach and cause ulcers and even stomach cancer. So, a little olive oil can help create a healthier, more balanced environment in your gut. All right, halfway through at number 6, it can help in managing type 2 diabetes. This is a game changer for millions. Studies have consistently shown that a diet rich in olive oil, like the Mediterranean diet, can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. It can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by as much as 40%. The healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds help your body use insulin more effectively, preventing those dangerous blood sugar spikes after meals. It's an easy dietary switch that offers powerful protection. Coming in at number 7, amazing skin and hair. The beauty benefits of olive oil are legendary, and it's not just a myth. When consumed, its rich content of antioxidants and vitamin E helps protect your skin from the inside out, fighting off the free radicals that cause premature aging, wrinkles, and sun damage. You can also use it topically as a natural moisturizer for your skin and a deep conditioner for your hair. It locks in moisture, leaving your skin soft and your hair shiny and strong. It's an all-natural beauty treatment straight from your kitchen. Benefit number 8 is all about our bones. As we get older, bone density can become a major concern, leading to conditions like osteoporosis. Exciting research suggests that regular olive oil consumption can improve bone health. It appears to help the body absorb calcium more effectively and may increase the formation of bone-building cells. So, while you're protecting your heart and brain, you're also building a stronger skeleton for the future. It's a full-body benefit that you might not have expected. Number 9 is a surprising one. It can help with weight management. It might sound counterintuitive to eat fat to lose weight, but the type of fat matters. The healthy monounsaturated fats in olive oil are incredibly satiating. This means they help you feel full and satisfied for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and preventing you from snacking on unhealthy foods. Replacing unhealthy fats like margarine or processed vegetable oils with extra virgin olive oil is a smart, effective strategy for maintaining a healthy weight without feeling deprived. And finally, our 10th mind-blowing benefit. It may help treat rheumatoid arthritis. This is an autoimmune disease characterized by painful, swollen joints. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil, especially when combined with fish oil, can be incredibly beneficial. The Oleocanthal mimics the effects of anti-inflammatory drugs, helping to reduce joint pain and morning stiffness. For those suffering from this condition, incorporating high-quality olive oil into their diet could offer a natural way to help manage their symptoms and improve their quality of life. So there you have it, 10 incredible, science-backed benefits of olive oil that go way beyond the kitchen. From protecting your heart and brain to strengthening your bones, and even helping you manage your weight, this golden liquid truly is a superfood. Remember to choose high-quality, extra virgin olive oil to get the most benefits, as it's the least processed and contains the highest levels of antioxidants and beneficial compounds. How do you use olive oil in your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorite ways to incorporate it into your meals. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.